Hi guys, so I got this new mold yesterday in the mail and I want to try it out. So I already pre-filled my mold with my resin just to let it sit and degas. Just using a long neck lighter. Pop any bubbles that have come to the top. So what we're going to do today is we're going to try and make some feather effects with some sinker white and some alcohol inks. Um, so got a little bottle here of alcohol of my sinker white. Um, I bought these two bottles, 100 milligrams each, milliliters each, of sinker white, and just transfer it from that to the little bottle here with the needle tip. So just give that a good shake, and then so what we're going to do here is we're just going to get a couple different colors. We'll go with a yellow, a purple. We'll go with a sky blue, peach red, and an emerald green. And we'll try I'm trying to stay here. What other color do I want to use? And we'll go with an orange. So what I'm using here is 16 colors of alcohol inks from Let's Resin dye. Got this off Amazon. So make sure you give them a good shake. And then what we'll do is just put a couple drops in each one and I'm putting about 3 drops of each color into my molds here. Do a couple red and blue. Add yellow to this guy. And then some green. Alright. And we'll go with a drop or two of purple in those. I don't want to put too much. So, less is more. Alright. So we got our sinker white all shook up and just put a little drop on each one. You don't want to overfill the molds too much with the resin because you got to put this sinker white and the dye in there, which is going to also fill up. So I took it probably about maybe just a little bit before the mold was almost filled. Just let the sinker white and the color do its thing. Just kind of let them blend. And then you can go back through. Oop, too many drops. That happens. Sometimes the sinker white bottle just gets a little too excited there. So I'll just come back through here, put a couple drops in the blank area. Just kind of go back through and just put some more on there to kind of push the colors around. Some of them I'm not really worrying about leaving an empty space. It adds to the look of the piece when it's done. But some pieces, you know, you want to fill up all the way. So right now, this is what we got going on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them sit for about an hour, and then I'll come back in and give them a little swirl. And then we'll let them dry for 24 hours, and then we'll demold them. So, see you in about an hour. Alright guys, we're back. So, I went and backfilled these yesterday. And as you can see, I had a couple that overflowed. Just wanted to show you that not everybody's perfect, and not everything you see on here is perfect. You know, we do make mistakes just like everybody else. So what we'll do is we'll just take them apart and see what our mistakes look like. So this is the first one. We can always trim that off right there. I really like the way these turned out. Some drop down a little further than normal, but you can see they're pretty decent. I'm glad I put the black in there. It really makes it pop. That one looks really nice. I like the way that one turned out. This one looks nice too. Now this one I really like. I like the way the orange and the blue look. You can see a little bit of the red in there, but the orange and blue really make it look pretty neat. Now this one turned out really nice. And there should be two left, but we're going to make this one giant one since they kind of stuck together. We can always cut those off. I really like the way they turned out. I mean, this we can cut off. Just use an X-Acto knife, cut it off, you know. So, this is what we got. Like I said, I really like the way they turned out. So next time I'll just have to make sure my board is level. Yeah, you live and learn. Live and learn. So Please like, share, follow. I want to thank all my followers that have bought me a coffee. If it wasn't for you guys, none of this would be possible. So just thank you guys, and I appreciate all of you. And I'll see you for the next one. See you. Bye.